Welcome back. Now, any set of data that we have, we can organize into a formal table. Now, you will want to make sure that you have all of your columns and rows in line. Once you do that, then what you can do is you can go to this, which is the Insert tab. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to then click this button that says Table. Now, then Microsoft Excel will then ask you where the data is for your table. And when it has this area highlighted, what it's going to do is it's going to then give you the option of then highlighting where your boundaries are. If your table has headers already, what you're going to do is you're going to click this button. And then you're going to make sure that this is going to be highlighted. You're then going to highlight all of your content. Once you do that, then all you'll need to do then is you'll need to click OK. Microsoft Excel will then highlight this data into a table. You can then choose a specific table style, and you can do that from this area. You can give your table a name, and you're going to be able to do that here inside of this table menu. And one of the things you're going to notice is that you have a full menu just for tables, and that you'll be able to use these elements to make your table exactly the way you want it to be. In fact, one of the options you're given here in this menu is to summarize all of your data with a pivot table. And we will cover that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.